going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today we're gonna pick up those Jordan 1 University Blue, and today it's gonna be a couple wins on Finish Line. I take on L's on Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Hibbett Sport, all Reservation except Finish Line, and then also online sneakers, lost on those. So still got lucky and we pick up some few in Finish Line. So without further ado, let's do this. Foot Locker is still closed and there's no line. Let's check out. Whoa, man, that's a long line in Finish Line. It is a long line. Whoa, this is crazy. Look at those lines, man. That's crazy. Bag is secured. We got two pairs of size 9 here. Another one. And a few extras of Jordan 1 lows, grade school. Alright, so next up on the next mall, we're gonna pick up another pair of the Jordan 1. So it was crazy on the first mall. I hope it's not gonna be crazy on this mall. There's no line. Good team. That's a good one. They still got the Jordan 2 here. This one is new here, the Air Force 1. So another pair here, and it's another size 9. Alright, so we're done here. More Jordan on the other mall. So next stop would be in Cincinnati. So I was like, I'm gonna drive 2 hours all the way from Kentucky to Cincinnati. We have a family friend in there, so they did do the raffle, and luckily they won the raffle. Let's go. 2 hours drive. So by the way, I'm gonna pick up 2 more pairs in there. So alright, let's go. It's crazy down here. I was gonna check on the Champs, but it looks like there's a long line. So as you can see right there, we are in Kenwood Town Center, Cincinnati, Ohio. And I didn't really know that Finish Line and was taken over by JD Sport. I'm not really sure, but I knew that they were in partnership. But this one I almost didn't get them because the one I know here in Cincinnati put my name incorrectly, and there's an extra letter in there in my last name, but then they let it go. There you go, another pair here. Woo. Let's move on to the last one. We are here in Tri-Country Mall, and as you can see, this is like a ghost town. Not much going on, not many people down here. This is what I like. Anyone I have a vaccine? As you can see right there, it's like abandoned mall. Man, not much people around here, unlike the other mall. And as you can see, wow. Alright, so let's check out Jimmy John's here. What do they got? So let's see if they have something here. They got the Jordan 1 low, All-Star Weekend low. I'm gonna check out if they have the size 8.5 or 8 smaller sizes. Then I'll pick them up. But they don't have smaller sizes. They only have size 10. So I'm not getting. This is the kind of store I really want. How much crowd? Sad to say, my plug here in Cincinnati made a mistake with the accounts when they did try to change their account. When they tried to do the raffle, some misspelled, some made an extra letter, extra special character. But the first one, they let it slide because it's just an additional extra N on the last name. But then the other account, she made a mistake, an extra character, so they won't let me buy that one. So it's just the extra special character, man. And these people is they're trying to get an interest on this shoe because the resale on this one is way high. Wanted to implement something I don't think so. They just want to backdoor that one. But anyway, let's go home and let's count our blessings. Hey Siri, take me home.
Getting directions to home.
Yo, there we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pairs here with an extra of Jordan 1 lows. And these are what we pick up for today. And the next video, let me share you how did I get all of this. And with that said, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, maging po. Bye bye.